everyone, welcome back to a new video. I've been sent these lovely letters from the children at Rock Creek Elementary in Seattle, and it's from Paige Simoneau, and there's loads of these just amazing letters from all the peoples there with some really cool like monsters and stuff, and I thought it'd be nice to do a drawing for them. Tune in guys and let's get going. There we are guys, it's a finished picture. I wanted to say thank you to Paige and all the kids at Rock Creek Elementary. It's been a great time, and I'm really proud of myself that you guys have been doing something on me. Thanks for watching, see you next time.